guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you the results of my, what was it? Deluxe sample size birthday use up, something along those lines. So last Sunday, granted I don't know when I'm posting this, but January 31st was my birthday and I turned 39. It is still, in my opinion, my birthday until February 16th when it is my sister's birthday. So you never stop being a baby. And I have a weird curl. Let's just kind of hide it. I don't know. You know, Jen and I have our finished 21 products in 2021 and most of it's makeup, but I do have some hair care and skincare in there as well, but which I'm doing really, really well. But I was like, I have all these samples and some of them I was actually really excited about. Some of them not so much. Some of them I'm glad I actually tried because I like them. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you everything that I have used up in the month of January. There was a lot of stuff here. So I actually have 5 of these foil packets. I have some skincare, the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. I actually have a full size. I might have 2 full sizes. I know I got one in a FabFitFun, so it was good to try this out. I have the Elta MD SPF and It Cosmetics oil-free primer. This was actually really, really nice. Primer isn't something I would really spend a lot of money on, even though I love the feel of some of the more luxurious primers. It's just, to me, it's unnecessary. And I had a cleansing gel from Tarte, which surprisingly I liked, and Diva Curl Gel. I use this on myself and my daughter. And again, it's not like they take up a ton of space, but it was like 5 foil packets I don't need to be keeping for years and years and years. So let's dive into some of this. I actually got this in my Christmas stocking. My mom always gets us stockings, and it was just like a Dove Advanced Care little mini deodorant. So instead of saving it for when I'm traveling, which when am I really going to travel? I decided to go ahead and use it. I have my Lancome mascara here. This is the Hypnos Drama. This had like a, I don't know if you can see there, kind of like a weirdly shaped wand. It was okay. I liked it, but I don't know. And the smell of it was just really, really strong. I have some body care here, just some lotions I've been using. Let me grab them all. I think this is it. And a little Baby Dove body wash. I mean, this is a Bulgari perfumed lotion. I got this from some hotel, but it smells amazing. I might have another one, but I finally decided to use it. I've had that for years. Mario Badescu. This is an olive body lotion. I used that on my daughter. She actually did really well with it. This olive cream body scrub. I was not, from the Body Shop, not a fan of this scent. Not a fan at all. And then, like I said, the Dove body wash. I love this Moroccan oil body butter. Oh, smells amazing. I mean, the tub still smells so good. So I actually, because it's so thick and emollient, I actually would put this on my feet, especially my heels, at night before bed. And then I loved this product. This is from Turoko. It's a foot cream, Sicilian blood orange. I love anything blood orange scented. It's amazing. It always reminds me of the Pacifica perfume or body spray, whatever you want to call it. This came in a FabFitFun as well. Loved this. And whatever I can recycle, I will be. This is actually the Grande Lash eyelash serum, and I do believe these work. This is the second one I've gone through. Once you stop using it though, like, I feel like my lashes just looked really small, and I was like, oh God, did it damage it? But I think it's just that they weren't crazy long. Oh, there is an expiration date, but I do like those, and I think I have one left. My sister-in-law actually gave me a bunch. I used this from Versali, this unicorn lip mask. Me and my daughter, because it was pink and it's pretty, every night before bed we would put this on. I have been just hoarding this, again, because it's pretty. Like, really? And I would use the tiniest amount, and then I'm like, just stop it. I mean, this thing was like 10 bucks. I would not, I wouldn't get it again. This is a shower body moisturizer from Divine, the skin hydrator. I actually really liked this. I feel like I like these kinds of like 2-in-1 products where instead of a lotion after your shower, you put this on like right on wet skin right before you get out of the shower. I really did like that. I did finally finish this. I think this also, if it didn't come in a FabFitFun, it must have come in like a BoxyCharm or something. But this is Freeze 24/7 Anti-Aging Eye Serum. Fine. It was whatever, you know, nothing special. I got this It Bye Bye makeup serum-y, what's it called? Cleansing balm. And it's not something I would buy again just because it is pricey, and I know you can get cheaper ones, but I do like the concept, and I really liked how it melted my eye makeup, especially on days where I wore a lot, which is not often. It's usually when I'm filming or I have like a big meeting or something. I did finally use it, this Glam Glow. It's a hydrating treatment, so it's kind of like a mask, but you put it on at night and leave it on. I actually really liked this. I don't know how much this costs. You know, this is just a little tiny guy, but I really liked it. I feel like it was really hydrating. A lot of my night creams, even though they're thicker and richer, I just feel like they're normal or they kind of sink in and that's it. But this actually was really nice. I haven't tried anything that's equivalent to it. I'm trying to look at the other thing. Yeah, there's nothing really equivalent. This is really, really nice, but I'm sure it's pricey. Another thing I used up is this Enzyme Peel from Amore Pacific. I mean, these are kind of like exfoliants on a chemical level, and it's fine. I didn't really see anything. This is the same thing. It's just like a tiny, tiny, tiny version. So I used those up. I guess I could put them back in here. And serum-y things. This elevation, I never know how to pronounce it, but I have these boosting drops that I received from them, and I did finish this. I just feel like this is not big enough of a size to really determine if it's good or if it's working. That's, you know, that's just the way it is. And I did have this A+ high dose retinoid serum from Sunday Riley, which I feel my skin is very normal, just putting it out there. I get oily in my T-zone in the summer. I get drier in those spots in the winter, but I have pretty normal skin, and it's not very sensitive. I do feel like this is something where it's not that I had a reaction or irritation, but I could feel it. And it wasn't a tingle. I don't really know how to explain it. But I would say for this retinoid serum from Sunday Riley, if you have sensitive skin, maybe don't get it. Yeah, maybe don't get it. Now, I finished a bunch of little like face moisturizers. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 of them. I'm so hyped, guys. I have this Amore Pacific. I got a bunch of samples a while ago, and these are just 2 samples. The Time Response Skin Renewal Cream and the Moisture Brown, eye treatment gel. So this is another one. I had this forever. I mean, I like wiped this clean because Amore Pacific is super, super expensive. But when I say these are expensive, like over $100 for a face cream, you know, like that's not something I would buy no matter what it did, to be honest. I also had this It Secret Sauce Anti-Aging Moisturizer. I mean, this all says anti-aging. You're not going to see a difference overnight, or maybe you're not going to see really a difference that we would expect. It's anti-aging, which means it slows down the aging process. So this is something that you should be using since you're like 18 or maybe even younger. I did really like it. It's a cute iridescent container. I love it. Cosmetics, makeup. So I do love their skincare, I'm realizing as well. This I hated. This was Lancome Hydra Anti-Stress Cream Gel, Moisturizing Cream Gel. I didn't mind the texture. There's only probably like 2 uses in this. I used it once and I could see it. There's like this much left. It was like half empty. And it smells so strong and it stays on your face for so long. I had to wash my face because it was just like, I was gagging. It was just, yeah, Lancome. And I wasn't surprised. I was like, what the hell was that brand? And when I looked, I was like, oh, Lancome. Like for some reason, I just was not surprised that it had that perfume scent. The La La Retro Whipped Cream from Drunk Elephant was also really nice. So this is another product that I was saving up for a while because it's Drunk Elephant. It was nice. I wouldn't say it's worth the price, to be completely honest. The Coconut Water Cream it's safe for sensitive skin. This is from First Aid Beauty. So this is from First Aid Beauty, and this is the coconut water cream. And this is, it was just like a really thin moisturizer. And this is safe for sensitive skin. I actually did really like this. Along with that, this is from Oasis, the Ultra Hydrating Cream and H2O Beauty. I really liked this. Again, very thin, lightweight formula. It absorbs quickly, so you can kind of put your makeup on if you're gonna put makeup on, or just be gone and like not worry about it. I mean, less than 30 seconds, it's like absorbed, but not to the point where you feel like, what the heck, I need more moisturizer. It's actually really nice. So that's something that I did like. And then these two things I really liked. This is from Bioessence, and it's Squalene and Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. It was a small amount, but it lasted maybe 4 or 5 days. Really nice. I really wanted to try something with squalene. Again, I'm not going to see any kind of results in that time, but it was nice to have that. Something I think I would buy again is this ginger leaf and hibiscus firming mask from Kiehls. This actually lasted, I don't know, 3 weeks or so. It had a nice light scent. I was gonna say it wasn't rose, but it's hibiscus scented, that's it. But yeah, it lasted a long time. And this is it's an overnight mask, so it's not something you wash off, but I really liked it. And this is something I would buy again. I'm kind of keeping a pile of things I would buy again. And that is it, guys. I used a lot. I wanted to give like mini reviews on some of this stuff, but 31 days I used up, let's see how many products. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 14, 16, 18, 19, 23, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27. So I used up 27 products and 5 of these little samples. So that's actually 32. So I used up 32 minis and deluxe size things in 31 days. I'm actually really, really excited to be rid of some of this stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and go through, clean out some things, recycle what I can, toss the rest, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys were trying to finish up any makeup or skincare this past month, or if it's something that you're interested in doing in the future. I will be continuing to focus on my smaller items just to get them out and gone. And I was thinking of doing like March Mini Madness, which I was going to do like several years ago with Jen, but for March Madness, again, focusing on like our mini products. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.